In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a delivery tracking spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a blank spreadsheet. We'll set up a simple but reliable tracker with the key fields you need to follow each delivery from start to finish. In the first row, label your columns exactly like this across A through I. Delivery ID, customer name, delivery address, product, tracking number, status, delivery date, estimated delivery date, and notes. These headers give your sheet structure and make it easy to scan. Enter your delivery record starting in row 2, one delivery per row. Keep your dates consistent by typing them in the same format throughout, and double-check your tracking numbers to avoid typos. Consistency here makes everything else work smoothly. Next, let's make the status column both standardized and easy to update. Click the F column header to select the status column, then go to the Data menu and choose Data Validation. Set the criteria to List of items and type Pending, In Transit, Delivered. Save your changes. This creates a drop-down in each status cell so you and your team can only choose from those 3 options, preventing mix-ups like misspellings or extra spaces. If you prefer to exclude the header from validation, just select the cells below the header instead. Now we'll add color so you can see status at a glance. With column F still selected, go to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. Add a rule for when the text is exactly pending and set the fill color to yellow. Add another rule for In Transit and choose blue. Finally, add a rule for Delivered and set it to green. As you switch a delivery status using the drop-down, the color will change automatically, making your tracker scannable even with lots of rows. For the Notes column, you can optionally use a formula to flag late deliveries. If you've been provided a formula for this purpose, click cell I2, paste it there, and copy it down the column. A typical setup compares the delivery date to the estimated delivery date and returns a helpful message, which makes it easier to spot items that need attention without manually checking dates each time. That's it. You now have a clean, organized delivery tracking sheet with drop-down statuses, color-coded highlights, and an optional notes helper for late shipments. Keep adding new deliveries in new rows and update the status field as things move along. This simple system keeps your information consistent, readable, and ready for quick follow-ups.